Let me ask you something. How often do you wake up and feel like you're just drifting? No clear direction, no real motivation, just days passing one after another. You tell yourself, I should be doing more. I should know what I want by now. Everyone else seems ahead. But inside, everything feels foggy. If this sounds familiar, you're not broken. You're not behind. You're not failing at life. You're simply disconnected from yourself. And today, I want to give you 5 small daily practices that can pull you out of that fog. Not massive routines, not hustle culture, not pressure, just simple actions that quietly rebuild clarity, direction, and self-trust. Stay until the end, because the 5th one is the most powerful, and almost nobody talks about it. First, start your day without consuming anything. Most people begin their day like this: phone, notifications, news, social media, other people's lives, and before their brain even wakes up, they've already lost control of their mental state. If you feel lost, your first daily habit should be mental silence. For the first 20-30 minutes of your morning, no phone, no videos, no scrolling, just sit, breathe, stretch, drink water, look out the window. Why does this matter? Because clarity doesn't appear in noise, it appears in stillness. You don't find your direction by consuming more. You find it when your mind finally has space to speak. 2. Write one honest sentence every day, not a journal, not an essay, just one sentence. But it must be honest. Examples. Today I feel anxious for no clear reason. I'm avoiding something important. I actually felt peaceful this morning. I'm tired of pretending I'm fine. Most people feel lost because they never articulate what they actually feel. Their emotions stay blurry, unprocessed, unacknowledged. One honest sentence per day forces self-awareness. And self-awareness is the foundation of direction. You can't find yourself if you never listen to yourself. 3. Do one small thing you've been avoiding. Lostness grows through avoidance. That email you keep postponing, that task you delay, that conversation you escape, that responsibility you keep pushing away. Every day, choose one small avoided thing and do it. Not everything, just one. Send the message, open the document, clean the space, make the call. Why? Because identity is shaped through action. Each avoided task tells your brain, I am powerless. Each completed task tells your brain, I can trust myself. And self-trust is what lost people lack the most. 4. Spend time daily without stimulation. No music, no podcast, no video, no scrolling, no background noise. Just you, walking, sitting, thinking, even 10 minutes. At first it feels uncomfortable, restless, boring. But then something happens. Your thoughts begin surfacing. Your real questions emerge. Your suppressed emotions appear. Most people feel lost because they never meet their own mind. They stay constantly distracted to avoid hearing what's inside. Direction does not come from motivation. It comes from listening. 5. Keep one small promise to yourself every day. This is the most important one. Not a huge goal, not a perfect routine, just one small promise. I will walk for 10 minutes. I will read one page. I will wake up at 8 a.m. I will write one sentence. And then you keep it. No negotiation, no excuses. Why does this matter so much? Because every broken promise weakens your identity, and every kept promise rebuilds it. Lost people don't lack intelligence. They lack self-trust, and self-trust is rebuilt one tiny promise at a time. You don't find yourself through motivation. You don't find yourself through pressure. You don't find yourself through comparison. You find yourself through daily alignment, through honesty, through consistency, through silence, through small actions. Do these 5 things every day, not perfectly, just consistently, and slowly, without forcing anything. Clarity returns, direction returns, identity returns, not because you found a new life, but because you finally came back to yourself. If this video helped you see your own mind more clearly, consider sharing it with someone who feels stuck. Sometimes one perspective shift is enough to change everything. And if you want more videos like this, calm, honest, psychological truths about life and discipline, you can subscribe, not for motivation, but for clarity.